Hello everyone, let me introduce you our tube and plate laser cutting machine. So today I'm gonna talk about all the operations that need to be done before start using the machine. So before running the machine, we need to come to turn on the switch, the main power, the three-phased electricity. Here we turn on the switch. After we turn it on, we have the air compressing machine over here, and this is the screen. Here we will see the green button. Hold it for 3 seconds. You will start hearing the noise. It means that the machine start working. After that, always make sure that this button is always on the on mode. So power on. After that, we can go to the front part of the machine. Here we have our controller, and we can see few buttons here. So these buttons are for the system, servo motors, and the PC. After we turn them on, we will see that the screen will light. It means that PC is starting running. And after that, we go to here. Here we have our water cooler, water chiller, and our laser source. First, we need to turn on the switch of the water chiller. Now it's on. And after we hear the noise that it's running, we turn on the power for the laser source. After that, we go to our oxygen bottle here, and we turn on the pressure. Here you will see the pressure from 0.5 to 0.6. Now we can see our controller, and let's press the login button. Now we are logging in. After that, we will see this screen. Press OK a couple times. After that, we will see the green lights. That means that everything is running perfectly, nothing abnormal. After that, we just swipe to right and close the window. Here we have the shape cut software for the plate cutting. Here we select the origin point. It means that the laser head starts moving and going back to its origin point. So here I have my USB flash drive with my file inside the USB. So here I open this button, file. Here I will see this button open. Go to my computer. This is my USB flash drive. Open it, and this is my file. This is my program. Select open, and here I will see on the screen my file. After this, press CNC over here. Then you will see this button here called layer. Here is another small yellow folder button, and here we choose the parameter. So now I choose galvanized 1.5 millimeter single nozzle. This is the parameters that I need now. Open, press OK, and then I select the working field on the screen. We see the gray button here. Now it's green. It means the machine is on now. Now we handle the controller and with buttons on it we start moving the laser head. Try and find the empty space on the plate to start cutting. There is a small laser dot on the plate. Here I have the empty space and I press button frame and I will see that this space is enough for me to cut. After this, I press this button, shutter. Now it's green. After that, I just simply start button. So if you want to change your cutting mode to cut the pipe, this is what you need to do. First of all, we are still in the zip cut program for cutting the plates. Now, what we need to do is we take the controller and we need to make sure that this side of the machine is on the same level with this clip here. So we control its position. So we need to make sure that it's even with this surface. After we get this done, we need to go to the controller again. Now we turn off this application and we turn on the Tube Pro software. So this is the software for cutting the tubes. So after we get to this screen, we need to press this button here. So this is to go to origin point, this one here. You press it and you press this one. After this, machine's laser head will go to the origin point of the pipe cutting side. So after it will get to this position, we need to press FN button. After this lights up, then we press 0. And you will see that the machine laser head will get to the center position. After this, you just get your tube and you put it inside. And after that, to clamp it, you press K2 for the front clamp and K1 for the rear clamp. And then to reclamp it, you press FN and K2 for the front clamp and F1, FN and K1 for the rear clamp. After we finished our work for today, this is the flow before the turning off the machine. So first of all, we close the program here and then we just turn it off, just a regular computer. While it's turning off, we can turn off the laser source, this button here, and then another switch for the water cooler. After that, let's close the oxygen bottle. Now after this, follow me. We need to go to the air compressor. So our compressor has the screen, you just tap it, and here is the red button to turn it off. You hold it for 3 seconds. And please do not turn it off using this emergency button. And do not turn it off from here. Here is the red button to turn off the machine. Now everything is turned off. and you can finish your work.